think only in amateur radio could you hear a comment like, well, it's transmitting, but it won't receive. That's just a minor problem. In public safety radio, we'd say that's a major malfunction. Yeah, you wouldn't want to say that in public service radio. It would be like, oh, this is an emergency. We can't have it tonight. But in amateur radio, it's like, well, let me work on a little bit more. I'll get back going. Oh, man. That just wouldn't go too well. If cop has his hand held and he's trying to talk to dispatch. All of a sudden, well, I'm just not receiving anything. Oh, I'll get it in a minute. Well, one of the conditions we see on the state law enforcement system is a call light with no audio. You know, they'll come up, you'll see their alias. You know they're trying to call. You see the call light indicates you don't hear any modulation. So, and a couple tries later, they'll come right through. So it's probably something to do out being in the marginal areas. So it's not a uncommon thing to hear 10-9 call light, no audio. Happens a lot. Yeah. All right. Well, we got that part working. Now we'll see if we can get a rush on. But I backed up a version on the updates. I think the last update had a few bugs in it or something. So I backed up a version and seems to have fixed it. So I forget the number on the last one they had out. 1.6 in there, and it seems to be working good now, so that might be something that that doesn't work too well on them. That one firmware update may have a bug or two, but I forget the number on it. It was like 3.3 point something or another, I think. But I've been updating too many firmwares. I'm forgetting the numbers on each ones. But all right, I'm gonna go back at it here. Just thought I'd test it and see how it did, and it seems to be working. We'll catch you a little later. A before KK. Okay, Chris, I'll take that thing back and give it 2 more taps with a rubber mallet, flash it again, and see what it does. KM4 CTB clear.
BFO. That one is VFOA, VFOB, I believe. Let's see here. Sub-channel or, yeah. You see that?
Again. I get to go to somebody's house and make test calls. They're complaining about slow data. I don't see anything wrong with the site, but they want me there to make test calls. Wait till they get a load of me.
I'll get you a pair of black rim glasses. Go stand up.
Let's see the voltage here. Battery voltage, that's nice. Power, medium, high, and turbo. turbo power. Think about that. Oh, turbo. That's funny.
Yeah, usually I can't get them to come out, let alone let me in. They're usually talking through the little crack in the door. You know, they make a call, you know, jumping up and down that they're having data issues, and then they, you know, want to speak to a VP, and VP ain't going to speak to them. They're just going to kick me off the porch and make me go over and make test calls and confirm that it's happening. That's all. Because usually when I meet with them, they're like, oh, well, we didn't want anybody showing up here at 10 o'clock at night. Can't you